Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 25H2 update or installation errors. In this tutorial, we will outline some simple troubleshooting steps to resolve common 25H2 update errors. Let's start. First step, run Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start menu and open Settings, then click on Windows Update channel. Scroll down to find the Troubleshooter menu. Open it. Then click on the other troubleshooter. Here you can see Windows Update Troubleshooter. Run it. Then follow the on-screen instructions to check that. Second step, clear Update Cache folder. Open My PC and then open the primary C drive. Again, open Windows folder and look for the Software Distribution folder. Open that folder and delete all files and contents inside that folder and restart the system. Third step, use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. If Windows updates fail, then download and run the Installation Assistant from the official Microsoft website. Inside the official Windows download page, from here you will get the Installation Assistant software. Download and run the software to update or install the latest Windows versions. Fourth step, disable Windows Defender or third-party antivirus. Open Settings and click on Privacy and Security. Then open Windows Security. Then open Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, open Manage Settings and disable the real-time protection. Fifth step, fix boot errors. If you face any black screen or boot issues, update the firmware of BIOS version from the official website and do a reinstall again. Please do reinstall the update by following each step in this video. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.